As you can see, the old strap is very poor quality and is already broken, although it is new. I know that some of you might want to have a silver tone buckle in case you have a silver tone watch, but this is all that I had today. But nonetheless, this is very good and high quality leather that we have from Greece. What you are going to need is this basic watchmaker tool that is called a pin remover. You can actually remove these metallic pins in order to place on the new strap. So what you want to do is to take the pin remover and use the part with the two teeth in order to grab the metallic pin and to press it downwards in order to take it off. Now make sure to take your time and be very careful because these can easily jump around. So I'm going to also hold it. So take it like this, push it downwards and also to the side in order to remove it. So just like that, as you can see, this was very easy. And also I'm going to do the same thing on the other end as well. So I'm going to press it down, push it to a side, and then the watch strap is going to come off. We are going to keep these metallic pins and we are going to place them inside the new watch strap. You can also use the other end in order to prepare the place in case you have a brand new leather watch strap, because these can easily have no place for the pins because they were mass produced. So make sure to do that before placing the pins inside, just like this. We are going to push them. Make sure that both tips can be seen, so on both ends. That way you will be able to do this very easily. Now something really important is that the part with the buckle goes at 12 o'clock, just like this. And what you want to do is to first place one tip of the metallic pin inside one of the holes. Try to hold it if you can with two of your fingers, and then we are going to use the exact same part as we used in order to remove them, in order to push it downwards, and then underneath you are going to hear a small click when the pin went inside the second hole, and voila, you have the watch strap in. Now we're going to take the other part as well. Make sure to place it with the back facing the back of the watch. Then we are going to apply the same principle. So first one pin goes in, so one part, hold it if you can with your two fingers, and then we are going to do the same thing, grab it, push it inside underneath, and then try to move it a little until you hear the click that goes actually inside, just like that. You can always test the strap a little in order to make sure that the strap is holding tight and that your watch is not going to fall. And as you can see, guys, this is the watch with the brand new leather watch strap, and now you know how to do this by yourself at home. Make sure to order the pin remover. Once again, link in the description box below. And also you might also want to order a box of pins that can be on all the sizes, starting from 6 millimeters up to 20 or 25, even 30 millimeters, depending on what kind of watches you have. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so that you can do this by yourself at home. In case you found value from this video, guys, make sure to subscribe, like this video, especially if you are into watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials. Leave a comment, let me know if you managed to replace the watch strap by yourself at home. And once again, guys, like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next video.